Welcome back to the video. First things for whatever type of phone you are using, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, consider to make sure you download and install YouTube Studio app on your phone. So how do you do it? I'm going to demonstrate how you can download and install it with Android phone. You can do the same with iPhone. So I'm going to head over to my Play Store right here. So if you are using Android phone, go to Play Store. So if you are using iPhone, go to App Store. On getting to Play Store or App Store, click on search right here. And the next thing you want to do is to come to search app and game. So type in YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio. Okay. And hit on search. There you have the YouTube Studio right here. So as at the time of making this video, 100 million plus have downloaded and used the app. So after you have successful download, what you need to do is to click on open. As you can see right here, I have already downloaded this particular YouTube Studio. So I'm going to go ahead and click on open. So if you are open YouTube Studio app for the first time, you will be asked to log in with your YouTube account username and password. After you have successfully enter your YouTube account name and password, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select the particular video that you want to schedule for upload in your YouTube Studio. For that, what you need to do is to come down below right here, click on contents. Then under the content, next thing you need to do is to click on view all. Then you have all your content right here. Now select a particular video that you want to schedule for post. So I'm going to select this particular video right here. So next thing we want to do is to click on this pencil icon. Next thing you want to do is to go to visibility. Next thing you want to do is to go to schedule. Next thing you need to do is to choose date right here. So right here, you can select a particular date right here. So here, I'm going to choose 3rd. Then I'll hit on OK. Then you have to set time right here. So the time I want this particular video to be published is 2. And it has to be 2 p.m. After set the date, hit on OK. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on back. Then finally, hit on save. And with that, you have your video schedule for posting on YouTube. It's that simple. For more tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.